Hi, this is Edwin again. I want to make an announcement, and someone is going to help me make an announcement too. So come and meet with someone, okay? Hi everyone. Welcome to the reunion in Las Vegas. You're coming to the reunion in Las Vegas? Are you sure you're coming? Are you going to meet your friends? Are you going to meet the President Gloria? So see you then. Register now. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care.